Hey, in first standard. I am banana. I am yellow color. I am sweet. I am not. I people like pee. I people like eat me. People like growing banana trees. I people thank you. Setularan. Red color. Sweet. Thank you. Good morning class. My name is Sandeep. I am first standard. It is a watermelon. It is sweet. It is round. It is sweet. It is juicy. It is in green color. It is very good. People like to eat in summer. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Madhuri. I am first standard. I am carrot. I am orange color. I am very good. I am tasty. I am crunchy. I good for eyes. People like to eat me. I grow under the ground. Thank you.